Students, uh, let us continue with the uses of the computer network. So in the previous video I explained about the uh, business applications, so how the network is using in business applications and the goals of networks for companies. I explained in the previous video. Now coming to the next use of the computer network, that is a home network applications. So in the home network applications, uh, we use networks for access to remote information. We use network for accessing remote information and person to person communication, person to person communication, and interactive entertainment, interactive entertainment. Next, electronic commerce, electronic commerce. So in the home network applications, we use network for access to remote information, person to person communications, interactive entertainment, electronic commerce. So if you take access to remote information, the examples for this access to remote information is you can take the financial field, you call it as access to remote information. For shopping, if you're doing the online shopping, the shopping, customized newspaper, or online digital libraries, online digital libraries, or you can take the worldwide www. So in all these are all the examples for access to remote information. Financial will prefer access to remote information, customized newspaper use the access to remote information, online digital libraries, and www uses the access to remote information. And next, coming to the person to person communication. So what are the examples for the person to person communication? The examples for this person to person communication is email. I'm the person, I want to interact with my friend, I can use my email. I can give the message to my friend with the help of email. Or if you want to in the business areas, or if the customer want to interact with the organization with the help of email, or they can interact with the video conferencing, or you can take the news groups also. So these are all comes under a category of person to person communication. If one person wants to communicate with another person, he can prefer the email or video conference or news groups. Next, now coming to the interactive entertainment. So what do you call this interactive entertainment? Interactive entertainment is nothing but it comes under the peer-to-peer systems. You call it as in peer-to-peer systems, there are no fixed client and server. Means here the examples for this interactive entertainment, I'll take it as a TVs game playing. So these are the examples for the interactive entertainment. So I'm taking the TVs and game playing. So here in this TVs or game playing, whatever you are taking, you call it as a peer-to-peer systems. Okay. So the peer-to-peer systems, there are no fixed clients and servers. If you take the TVs, there are no fixed clients or servers or game playing like that. So here suppose one system is there and this is another system. So this is A, B, C, D, different persons are there. So this person is communicating with this system, and this he communicate with this, and he is communicating with this, like this. So here there is no peer-to-peer system. There are no fixed clients and no fixed servers. Everyone is communicating with another. So here there are no master and there are no slaves. Okay, everyone is a master to herself. So this is a interactive entertainment area. You can prefer this peer-to-peer system. Now let us come into the fourth one, that is the electronic commerce. So what is this e-commerce? This e-commerce can use, let me write the table for this: tag, full name, and example. Let me take this tabular form. So here, if you B2C, so this is one of the electronic commerce. B2C means business to consumer. Business to consumer. Next, B2B. B2B means business to business. Business to business. Next, G2C. G2 means government to consumers. Or else C2C. C2C means consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer. Next, P2P. P2P means peer to peer. So these are the different electronic commerce. So if you take the business to consumer, a business is there and the person is a consumer. Means the business is giving a product, and the consumer means the client is consuming the product. Okay, means we are purchasing something in the organization. We are purchasing something in the store. Okay, the store you call it as a business, and ourselves we call it as a consumers. We are buying something in the store. Okay, so that is a business to consumers. The examples for this is, you can take ordering books. So everything here in through online. Electronic commerce is nothing but it is everything with the help of network. Everything will be done in the network. That is the electronic commerce, online. So business to consumers, one of the example is we are ordering the books. At home we are just in the mobile phones or in the laptop, we are just opening the site and we are ordering the books. So we are the clients, we are the consumers, and the business people are the store holders. So ordering books online is the business to consumer. Next, business to business. What do you call this business to business? Business to business means you can take the car manufacturing. Suppose the car manufacturing, ordering tires there from supplier. So what it means? Business to business means before going to the consumer, you have to develop a product. Suppose the car was there. If you want to, a car is there. If you want to manufacture the car, a car tires will be provided by one person, one business person. Okay, and the body part will be supplied by another business person, another company. And the engine will be supplied by another company. Means the spare parts of everything, the car will be developed, means they are manufacturing different companies. So if you want to make a car, these persons has to be interacted to each other. These persons have to be interacted. Okay, so then if this you call it as a business to business. This person he is giving the tires, and this person is giving the body part, and he is giving the engine, and one organization is assembling all the parts. Okay, so an interaction will be, a networking will be there from company to company, that you call it as a business to business application. Okay, so the finally the car will be developed, and that will be consumed by the means the customers will purchase that car. So here communication between the companies, you call it as a business to business. Next, government to consumer. What do you call by the government to consumer? Government to consumers means the government distributing tax forms to the consumers, that everything is in online. So here we are the flat owners, so we have to pay the house tax every year. So that tax information will be issued by the government through online. Okay, tax forms will be issued to the consumers through online. That you call it as a government to consumers. And consumers to consumer means just like auctioning second hand products online. What it means? So the consumer to consumer is nothing but if you take the Quikr or if you take the OLX, everything. So here the consumer is interacting with the consumer, means I'm selling my, suppose I want to sell my phone, so I just place it in the OLX. Okay, so here I'm auctioning my second hand product to another customer. Okay, I'm a customer, I'm selling my phone to another customer. That you call it as a consumer to consumer. And peer to peer is nothing but a file sharing. This you call it as a file sharing. So this is about the different the home network applications. These are all the home network applications where the network will be everything here using the computer networks. For access to remote information, we need computer network. Person to person communication, for email, video conferencing, news group, we need computer networks. Interactive entertainments for TVs, game playing, everything we need computer networks. And in mainly the electronic commerce, in the e-commerce world, we need computer networks for business to consumer and business to business area, and government to consumer area, consumer to consumer area, peer to peer. For everything, in everything field, we need computer networks. So this is about the uses of the computer networks. Thank you.